And third question is from Mona. She says, is it permissible to become a fashion designer? Now, Mona, or Muna, a fashion designer, like every other occupation, it has a job description. So an electrician has a job description, an engineer, a doctor, an HR manager. Everybody has a job description. From your job description, you can tell whether my income is halal or haram. Is it permissible to become this job title or not? For example, someone who says that I'm a banker. My job description states that I have to open bank accounts and I have to facilitate giving interest-based loans. I have to call people to pay it back. I have to invest money, long-term and short-term investments that generates money through haram means. Definitely your job is haram. So Muna, as a job description of a fashion designer, what is your job? My job is to design dresses. That's good. No problem in that. Women should wear dresses in front of their husbands, fathers, mahrams, other women. They need to wear clothes. So if this is your job, to design something that is to be used in halal, generally speaking, there is no problem in that. But if your job description involves designing something that is totally haram, so bathing suits, for example, nobody doubts that this is haram. Clothes that reveal the awrah and they are to be worn in public, this is haram. But if it's something that is to be like lingeries, to be worn in front of a husband, there's no problem in designing that. You see, a fashion designer is not something that a woman does and designs clothes and dresses and that's it. It involves usually a catwalk or a fashion display or whatever they call it. And this involves them putting models and walking and catwalks and down the runway or whatever they call it. And all of this is haram. So if your job description involves such things, definitely this is not permissible for you. Otherwise, if there is nothing haram involved, then inshallah it is permissible. Ayman.